everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Alisha Sarkar. अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, so go and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon क्योंकि जब भी मैं वीडियोस अपलोड करूँ आप लोग नोटिफाई हो जाएंगे. So also welcome to my Diwali series videos. I'm gonna make sure that I upload 3 videos about Diwali. So this video is all about homemade facial. So firstly, these are all the things which I feel like you can afford. It's affordable, and also I'm not gonna use lots of products. Something that is we all need to do, and this video is for boys, girls, everyone who is watching this. Yeah, we need to take care of our skin. Outside, inside, we all are beautiful, but yeah, if it's come to skin, we need to take care. So I would say if you are watching this video, watch this video till the end. It will be worth it. And the product I'm gonna use are very less, and I hope that this video helps you. So without talking much, let's jump into this video. Okay, so first is this two, milk and raw milk and this curd. So for the first step, I'm gonna use raw milk as a homemade cleanser, and yeah, this take out all the dirt. I am using this since years now, and before applying any pack, if you cleanse your face, there will be no acne after you apply the pack. So yeah. Okay, so second step is to steam, and this is something that helps to open your pores, and yeah, I use this once in a week or twice in a week. I don't have a steamer, so I have just boil water in a bowl and I'm taking this steam. Yeah. Now let's come to this part, face pack. Okay, so I am gonna use sandalwood powder. I have multani mitti, but I'm gonna use this. It's actually a sandalwood powder, so see the mix. Anyways, let's apply. Okay, so I'm applying sandalwood powder pack. This helps to reduce sunburn, also dark circle, and it's keep your skin healthy and glowing, and I love this pack. So yeah, I'm gonna apply on my hand क्योंकि बच गया तो why to waste it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it for 20 minutes. Now coming to step 4, that is one of my favorite part, that is using sheet marks. I'm gonna use charcoal sheet marks. And yeah, as it is a little bit messy when you use it, so for this reason I was in my washroom because all the serum when I used that time it was falling, so for this reason keep it for 15 minutes. I actually kept it for 20 minutes. Also, I was wondering that how people look cute when they apply sheet marks, because I was not looking at all. So this is the afterglow of the sheet marks I used. Okay, so the sad thing is when I was removing this sheet mark, I thought that I was recording the whole thing and I was chilled off. I was just removing the sheet marks and I was showing. The thing that went wrong is I'm such a stupid that I thought I was recording but I wasn't. It was not on, and yeah, कभी-कभी हो जाता है ऐसे गलतियाँ. So let's move and let's say you something that is, I have some small clips. Maybe, I hope I have it. If I have, I'm just gonna mention it before or after anywhere. So yeah, the glow. I have the glow when I remove the pack, and this is the day 2 when I'm filming, when I was editing. So I thought that where is the ending part, man? There was so much in I was so much disappointed, honestly. So yeah, let's talk about this marks. So I'm going to rate this marks 9 out of 10, as when I was applying this marks I was in my washroom because it was little bit messy, but let's give it 9.5 because it worked fabulously. Just it was a messy, and let me be honest, all the marks are messy, but yeah, the result was something awesome. It was very good. You can see the glow maybe now also. It's like it have done its job. It is dermatologically tested, suitable for sensitive skin, which I have. So for this reason, yeah, I don't have any pimples, but earlier I was having sunburns and all that. So I'm using all the products which are tested dermatologically. So Deepavali time you can use this mask because it will give you a 1 week of serum. So yeah, and this actually purifying and hydrating pore tightening tissue mask. So yeah, keep it for 15 minutes, but I have kept it for 25 minutes or 20 minutes maybe. So yeah, here I'm gonna end my video, and I hope you guys love this video. This video was for boys, girls, whoever are watching, for them. I am just gonna say you that you guys all are from inside and outside beautiful. Just the thing we need is confidence. We need to love ourselves, and that's the thing. If we love ourselves, if we start seeing ourselves in different ways, then people will start seeing us in different ways. That's the thing. And sweetheart, wait for more tools videos because that's are gonna be the most interesting videos. So wait for it, and it's gonna be continued. So not this facial part, but the Diwali series. So tata bye.